How to create wall objects in 3ds Max. The first step is to import the AutoCAD file that is the floor plan for this project. Because it's a non-native file format, we're going to import it rather than merge. In this instance, I'll be using an exercise that we drew a little earlier on. Check and make sure that the unit's scale is set to millimeters and accept the defaults. The floor plan has two types of walls. There is an external wall and an internal wall. The external wall is 250 millimeters and the internal wall are 90 millimeters wide. Before we start drawing, we need to change the snap settings so that we can grab the endpoints of the lines. This will make it easier to create the walls. So find AEC extended objects in the create panel, choose wall, and don't forget to change the width to 250 and the height to 2400. Also set the justification to left if you plan to create the walls in an anti-clockwise manner around the perimeter of the floor plan. So here we go. It'll be tempting to try and create the walls in a 3D view, but unfortunately it becomes very difficult to see what you're snapping onto. You could press F3 and have it go to wireframe mode, but it's probably simpler just to put the view into a top view and then create the walls that way. So let's undo everything, press T to go into top view, zoom out. Okay, so here's our floor plan, and now it'll be a lot easier to create the walls. So we're just clicking our way around like so. Notice where the windows are and any doors. We continue to go through those with our wall, where we can put the doors and windows in afterwards. Okay, next we'll change the width to 90 and we'll leave the height where it is. Create a new walls like so. That one hasn't gone well because the justification was incorrect. So you can either change the justification or change the direction that you create the wall from. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create the doors and windows for your home design.